Hello, I'm Iman.
Hi, I'm Lukman,
My name is Sai.
and we present to you
Hive mind.
avocados, berries, apples, coffee. Imagine a world where none of these exist. 30% of the global food supply depends on a single species, the bee. In the same year, the bee was declared the most important living being on Earth. More than 35% of the world's bee population died out from extreme climate conditioning and untreated domains. Bees facing unprecedented threats of survival, such as climate change and predatory threats that affected their pollinating productivity, which impacted food crops development. Not only our food supply is in crisis, but also the local industries that depend on these pollinators, such as farmers, beekeepers, and investors. So the question remains, how can we support the recovery of pollinators without affecting the local industries that depends on these pollinators?
With a 150-year-old technology, a wooden beekeeping box, this has sparked the brainchild in developing HiveMind. Using enhanced robotics and smart measuring software, HiveMind guarantees you optimum automated security by providing real-time care and support to your bees. We put artificial sensors in bees to receive the most accurate feedback of crucial data such as local temperature and humidity in relation to pollinators and living conditions.
Our device comprises of a few sensors and components. In a beehive, the suitable internal temperature is about 35 degrees Celsius. Thus, the DH11 sensor takes in data between intervals which then control the ventilation fan to circulate the temperature of the hive. Beekeepers also concerned on aspects such as hive activity, so a parasensor is placed on a strategic entrance spot to keep track on how frequent bees visit and exit the hive. We also integrated solar panels as a friendly entry supplier due to the common exposure of sunlight. Finally, we developed an app to monitor these readings into any connected device to ease mobility for beekeepers.
In the future, these readings will be compiled into a big data that is gathered around the globe in order to determine the most suitable geological area for bees to thrive. This strategy will reduce environmental and financial costs from this constant trial and error for developing artificial pollinator habitats. In addition to that, the big data will produce new discoveries that helps determine new causes and effects to better understand the pollinator environment. Be the solution for a bee problem.